everyone, my name is Joy, licensed manicurist, and I want to show you all today some nail styles with rhinestones. So in addition to my rhinestones, I'm going to be using a cuticle stick and I'm going to be using some tweezers. So I already have nail polish on the nail and it's slightly damp, so that's going to actually help the rhinestones to stick on. Okay, so then I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm just going to grab the first rhinestone. Okay, sometimes they're a little tricky to get a hold of here. Okay, so I've got one and I'm going to just place it at the bottom of the nail. Okay, and I'm just going to do sort of just like a random sprinkling of jewels over the nail. Okay, they can be clear, they can be any color. Pretty much anytime you're using rhinestones, it's going to add a bit of glamour and fun to your nails. So just have fun with it. So I'm going to put some on the side here. Okay, and then I'm going to add one more towards the top. They can be any size, any color. Just sort of sprinkle them around. Okay. And then if you choose to, if you're using the type of rhinestones that will allow it, you can actually cover over it with a top coat and make it stick a little bit longer. So there you go. A couple of rhinestones here to add a nice little flair to your nails. I hope this is entertaining to you guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.